You.
Huh?
Yeah, you. Are you tired of using mainly your thumbs for playing video games?
Yeah.
Are you tired of low FPS and expensive games?
Yeah.
Then you should buy an expensive PC!
Yeah, you're right.
Am I?
Yeah, you are.
I am! Wait, where did it go? The first step in buying a new computer is to actually have a computer in front of you, and then hit the internet. Once you have made your way to the internet, you're supposed to go onto Google and search on how to build a computer. No? Build. Thank you. Did you find anything you can enjoy?
Yeah.
Great!
Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you can't handle your life, and also you realize that PlayStation isn't for you? You maybe thought about taking a knife and putting it to your system.
So buy one
Today. Or tomorrow.